Welcome to Ælementz, your daily source of insights across finance, science, history, technology, and beyond. Whether you're traveling, tidying, exercising, taking a lunchtime stroll, or simply relaxing at home, we're committed to providing new content every day. So join us to grow and learn while living your busy life. Today, we're going to talk about Titan, the intriguing moon of Saturn that has captivated scientists and dreamers alike. What is Titan? Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest moon in our solar system, only slightly smaller than Jupiter's moon Ganymede. It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. What makes Titan truly special is its thick atmosphere and liquid bodies on its surface, which are rare for a moon. Titan's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, like Earth's, but it's much colder, with surface temperatures around -179 degrees Celsius. This cold environment allows for lakes and seas of liquid methane and ethane instead of water. Titan is the only place besides Earth known to have stable liquids on its surface, making it a fascinating subject for scientists studying the potential for life beyond our planet. The history of Titan. Titan was discovered in 1655 by Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens. Using a telescope he built himself, Huygens spotted this distant moon orbiting Saturn. For centuries, Titan remained a mysterious point of light until the space age allowed us to learn more. In 1980, the Voyager 1 spacecraft flew by Titan and revealed that its atmosphere was too thick for cameras to see the surface. This thick haze piqued scientists' interest even more. The real breakthrough came in 2004 when the Cassini-Huygens mission arrived at Saturn. The Huygens probe, named after Titan's discoverer, detached from Cassini and descended through Titan's atmosphere in January 2005. It became the first spacecraft to land on Titan, sending back images and data about its surface. Cassini continued to orbit Saturn and made multiple flybys of Titan, using radar to peer through the thick atmosphere. These missions unveiled a world with rivers, lakes, and even rain, though made of methane and ethane instead of water. Why is Titan so interesting to scientists? Titan fascinates scientists because it's one of the most Earth-like bodies in the solar system, despite its extreme cold. Its thick atmosphere and liquid cycles resemble those of early Earth, offering clues about how life might have started here. For example, Titan's atmosphere is rich in organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Some scientists believe that studying Titan could help us understand the possibilities of life developing in different environments. In fact, NASA is planning a new mission called Dragonfly, set to launch in 2027, which will send a drone-like rotorcraft to fly around Titan's surface and study its chemistry in more detail. Can humans live on Titan? Living on Titan would be challenging due to its extreme cold and lack of oxygen. The average temperature is so low that water is as hard as rock, and methane exists as a liquid. However, the thick atmosphere would protect humans from harmful space radiation, unlike on the Moon or Mars. If we could develop technology to keep us warm and provide breathable air, Titan might be one of the more habitable places in the outer solar system. Some scientists and engineers have even imagined future colonies using Titan's abundant resources, like methane and ethane, as fuel. Does Titan have weather like Earth? Yes, Titan has a weather system, but it's quite different from ours. Instead of a water cycle, Titan has a methane cycle. Methane evaporates, forms clouds, and falls as rain, filling rivers and lakes. This creates features on the surface that look surprisingly like those on Earth, such as river channels and shorelines. The Cassini spacecraft observed seasonal changes on Titan, including shifts in atmospheric circulation and changes in the appearance of lakes, suggesting that Titan experiences weather patterns over its 29.5-year orbit around the Sun. What did the Huygens probe discover on Titan's surface? When the Huygens probe landed on Titan, it sent back the first images from the Moon's surface. The photos showed a landscape with pebbles made of water ice and organic materials, indicating that geological processes shaped Titan's surface. The probe also measured wind speeds and atmospheric composition during its descent. One of the surprising findings was that the surface seemed to be covered in a soft material, possibly a mix of icy grains and hydrocarbons. The data from Huygens provided invaluable insights into Titan's environment and laid the groundwork for future missions. Titan's lakes and seas. Titan is the only other place in the solar system known to have stable liquid bodies on its surface. However, instead of water, these lakes and seas are filled with liquid methane and ethane. The largest sea, called Kraken Mare, is bigger than the Caspian Sea on Earth. Scientists believe that these liquid hydrocarbons could potentially host some form of life, or at least offer a prebiotic environment where organic chemistry is active. Mountains and possible cryovolcanoes. Titan's surface isn't just flat plains and lakes, it also has mountains and possibly volcanoes that spew icy substances instead of molten rock. These cryovolcanoes might release water mixed with ammonia from the interior, contributing to the atmosphere's composition. The presence of cryovolcanoes suggests that Titan is geologically active, which could have implications for its potential to support life. Titan's atmosphere and orange haze. Titan's thick atmosphere is about 50% thicker than Earth's and is rich in nitrogen and methane. Sunlight breaks down methane molecules, leading to complex organic reactions that produce a thick orange haze, obscuring the surface from visible light. This haze is similar to what scientists think the early Earth's atmosphere might have been like, offering a window into our planet's past. Titan is more than just a moon. It's a world with its own atmosphere, weather, and geology. Its similarities and differences to Earth make it a compelling destination for future exploration. Studying Titan could teach us not only about the possibilities of life elsewhere, but also about the history of our own planet. What do you think about Titan? Could it be a second Earth? Or at least a place where we might find signs of life? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for being here. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing. More content is on the way, and I hope to see you again.